natural or something else. You're not pretty, we're gonna travel by. Alright, down the road again. Well, one thing we gotta do is bring him to her home. Take some food. Me and my younger woman. Oh, we've been going on a while. Last year at school, even the teacher might know. Even the teacher might know. Got a feeling I stole change from my daddy's shoes. Impress my baby, one day we're gonna marry. Impress my baby, one day we're gonna marry. Trust me, boy. Pack up, I got some popcorn and some shake. Take away stuff, the ice cream melon, but never mind. Never mind. Ride down the road. By 10 p.m. I'd be patient aloud. You're gonna say, what did you wear? I'm gonna call the police. I don't think you mean it really is. You got your best interest in mind, your parents in